Hi guys, let's continue with ordering our numbers. Remember, we order our numbers using different ways. We can use our place value chart, or we can use the number line to help us. Remember, the number line goes from least to greatest. Okay, so let's look at our numbers. We have the number 99, 89, 109. So what is our least on there? If you said 89, you are correct. Our greatest on here is, see, we use 89. Our greatest is 109. So 99 is somewhere in between there. So our numbers in order are from 89, 99, 109. So how do we use our place value chart to help us? Let's see. I want to label it least to greatest. So let's see. We have 9 tens, 8 tens, and 10 tens, which is the same as 100. So our least would be 8 tens, 9 ones. The next one is 9 tens, 9 ones, and then the greatest is 109 ones. So using the place value chart, we can list our numbers in order from least to greatest. So let's check to see if we got that correct on the house. So we said least to greatest. We want least to greatest. So let's see. We said 89 is our least. Yes, good job. Our next number up is 99. All right, way to go. And then finally, greatest is 109. All right, same here. I want to order our numbers in order from least to greatest. So let's look at our numbers. We have 97, 94, and 98. So look at our tens place. They're the same. So we go to our ones. We have 7 ones, 4 ones, and 8 ones. So 4 ones, that is our least. Okay. 7 ones is next. And then our greatest is 9, 10, and 8 ones. Let's check to see if we are correct. Okay. Least to greatest. Least is 94. Yes, we got that. And then next is 97. And then 98. Awesome. All right, let's take a look at this problem. It says the following numbers are in order from greatest to least. Okay, so greatest to least. So G to L. Let's look at this. We have the number 115, 114, and 109. Are they in the correct order from greatest to least? We have 115, 114, 109. So let's look, the hundreds place, they're the same. So we move on to the tens place. These two are the same, 110. Okay, and so move on to the ones. 5 ones is greater than 4 ones. So yes, that is the greatest. And we know 109 is the least. So yes, I do agree that we have these numbers in order from greatest to least. Okay, let's look at this problem. It says the following numbers are in order from least to greatest. So we have to underline that. That's what they want us to look at. Least to greatest. Do you agree or disagree? Is our number 119 our least and 109 our greatest? Do you agree or disagree? I cannot wait to hear your response.